I've never really had someone say right in my face that they don't like my painting, but I've had some comments from someone who said that my painting is not for them. And I totally respect that one because my painting is not for everyone. I believe that art is very subjective and it's pretty much the same as our taste with the art that we resonate with as well. Having that understanding for me as an artist, it helps me accept that there will be people who won't like my art, and that's totally fine. I exist for the ones who love what I do, and that's the reason why I continue to do my paintings.
And what can you say to those artists who are struggling with their paintings for people to like their paintings?
I really believe that we need to find our own tribe. And if you are struggling as an artist to find people who would appreciate your art, then I think fundamentally you need to do the work that you really love and keep doing that one. Like, do it because you love doing art. And others liking your work should be secondary. And eventually, as you keep improving and working on the kind of art that you do, as you improve the quality of your art as well, someone out there will eventually fall in love with your work as well, the same way as you have fallen in love with your work. So I guess it's really just about being authentic and being and doing the things that you really, really love, creating the work that you're more than happy to hang on your wall as well, and creating the work that you resonate with.
Wow, that was very helpful. Thank you so much, Kris.